How to fix Play Store glitch on your Android phone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store glitch easy and fast. All what you have to do is so simple. Just go to your settings on your phone and then click on apps. And after you click on apps, go click again on apps right here, and here you will find all the apps on your phone. All what you have to do is search for Play Store. Now click on Play Store like this, and then all what you have to do is go to the storage option and clear data and cache together. And after you clear them, all what you have to do now is simple. Click on Force Stop option and then go to this data usage and enable these options, and I'm sorry, you need to disable them and enable them again, and go here to Wi-Fi and enable them and enable them again. Now all what you have to do is go back, and all what you have to do now is the last step. Restart your phone and it must be working good as it was. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.